What if I told you that fear is not your enemy, it's your greatest teacher? And what if today, right now, you finally learn how to quit fear, not escape it, not run from it, but quit it for good? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will walk away with a mindset most people never discover in their entire lifetime.
Welcome back, everyone. Today's session is not just another motivational talk. This video is an important shift, a mental reset for anyone who is tired of letting fear decide their life, their decisions, and their future. Whether you're watching this in London, Manchester, Birmingham, New York, Toronto, Dubai, or anywhere across the world, one thing is true. Fear is universal, but so is strength. So let's begin.
Fear is natural. It's wired into you for survival. But in the modern world, fear rarely protects you. Instead, it controls you. It whispers in your ear, "You're not ready. You're not good enough. You will fail." But here's the truth no one tells you. Fear is not trying to stop you. It's trying to warn you that growth is coming. Every time you feel that tension in your chest, every time your hands shake before a decision, every time you hesitate before something life-changing, it's not a sign you're weak. It's a sign you're standing at the doorway of a breakthrough. Think back for a moment. What opportunities have you lost because fear stepped in first? A career change? A business idea? A relationship? A skill you wanted to learn? A version of yourself you always wanted to become? Fear hides behind, "I'll do it tomorrow." Fear hides behind, "What will people say?" Fear hides behind, "What if I fail?" But the real question is, what if you don't try? What if your life stays exactly the same? What if you never meet the person you could have been?
Inside you, there is a force more powerful than fear. It's not motivation. It's not confidence. It's not luck. It's your inner intention, the quiet voice that says, "This is who I want to be. This is where I want to go. This is the life I deserve." Most people never activate this power because they never challenge fear. They live small, not because they are weak, but because they have never seen how strong they truly are. Let's do a small exercise right now. Close your eyes, just for a moment, and imagine a version of yourself living without fear. What do you see? Where are you standing? Who are you becoming? What decisions are you finally ready to make? That version of you is not imaginary. It's already inside you, waiting for you to make one decision. Choose courage over comfort. Visualization is not daydreaming. It's a mental blueprint. Your mind creates before your body follows. The people who achieve greatness are not fearless. They're faithful to their inner power. They feel fear and move anyway. They feel doubt and take the first step anyway. They feel pressure and show up anyway. And that is what separates dreamers from achievers.
Knowledge is useless without movement. Understanding fear is the beginning. Activating your inner power is the spark. But now comes the most important part: action. You quit fear not by waiting for it to disappear. You quit fear by replacing it with forward motion. Start small. Say yes to something you usually avoid. Take one step that scares you but excites you. Don't overthink. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Action itself creates clarity. Here's the truth. The life you want will require courage you've never used. The success you want will require decisions you've avoided. The future you want will require the version of you that fear has been hiding. Every time you act despite fear, your brain rewires. Your courage increases. Your confidence gets stronger. Your fear weakens. Small actions lead to big transformations. Speak up. Start the business. Apply for the job. Invest in the skill. Take the chance. Walk into the unknown, because the unknown is where your destiny waits.
Now let me ask you this. What is one fear you are ready to quit today?
Write it in the comments, speak it out, claim it, because naming your fear is the first step to mastering it.
If this message helped you shift your mindset, subscribe and stay connected. We are building a global family of people who want more from their life, more courage, more growth, more impact. Your journey starts now.
Thank you for watching, and remember, fear is a guest, not a ruler. You were born to lead your life, not follow your fears. This year, this moment, this decision, quit fear. Step forward. Your future is waiting.